After a storm strikes, OUC evaluates the damage to the electric system. We begin power restoration work by repairing our major infrastructure, power plants, transmission lines, and substations, so we can resume generating and distributing electricity. Next, we restore power to critical public safety facilities, such as hospitals, police stations, fire stations, and 911 call centers. From there, our crews work on main distribution lines to restore electricity to the most customers in the quickest way possible, followed by making repairs to smaller, secondary lines that serve neighborhoods. We then focus on individual outages to homes and businesses. We keep working until power is restored to all customers. If you're without power and haven't notified us, call 407-423-9018 or text OUT to 69682. That's OUT to 69682. Go to ouc.com/storm center to register for outage alerts and view our outage map.